Welcome to the free chat line, the oldest chat line in America with the most callers. In just a moment, you'll record a brief public outgoing message that all the other callers will hear. At the tone, start speaking. When done, hit the pound key so I can play it back to you for your approval.
Hi, my name's Jennifer. I'm a hot blonde and I'm looking for gorgeous men to chat to.
Hi, my name's Jennifer. I'm a hot blonde and I'm looking for gorgeous men to chat to.
To confirm and continue, press 3. To cancel and... Excuse me, here's a message from someone who wants to talk to you live, one-on-one.
Come on back, baby, connect with me. I would love to talk to you. You sound like you're real sweet, baby. Connect with me.
We've changed your options, so please...
You know it's going to be good.
Go ahead. You're connected. Say hello.
Hi.
Hello?
Hi.
How you doing?
It's Jennifer. I'm fine. What's your name?
Beautiful. My name is John.
Hello, John.
Hello, baby. How you doing?
I'm fantastic, John. You sound like a good Southern cowboy. Is that right?
I am, baby. I sure am.
Where are you from?
I'm from Louisiana.
I love your accent.
Oh, do you?
Are you married?
Yeah.
Oh, how long have you been married?
About 10 years.
So where are you, John? Where are you right now? You at home or where?
I'm at home right now. My wife's gone to town. She went to pick up some groceries. She'll be back about 34 minutes.
Oh, wow. Okay.
She wouldn't give me none this morning.
How old are you?
I'm 51.
Okay, and what do you look like, John?
I'm 6 foot. I weigh 215. I'm muscular built, sandy hair, blue eyes.
Yeah. And what do you do for a job?
I work in the oil field drilling for oil.
You drill for oil.
I am, baby, and I'd love to drill you this morning.
Yeah. Yeah. You know what I like about you, John? You're a manly man. I like a
What do you think?
belching man. I like a man that's not afraid to belch in front of his woman.
Yeah.
Do you burp, John?
You probably. Yeah, I do.
Can you do that?
Yes, I can.
Show me. Oh, that is so hot, John. Do it again. Oh, wow. You're a man, John. You're such a man. Oh,
Told you.
that turns me on like you have no idea. John, go like you're kissing my neck, and then belch, and then continue to kiss. So it's all one action.
All right.
Oh, that is so hot.
That's okay.
Oh, wow, John, that was a good one. Do it again. Oh, oh, John, you're the best. You know how to steal a lady's heart.
Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Can you burp my name?
Huh?
Can you try burp my name?
No.
Try when you burp, say my name, Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Oh, you can do better than that, John. That was so close. Keep going. Oh, wow.
No.
Go like...
Jennifer.
That is so good. I missed that. Say it again, John.
Jennifer. Jennifer.
try get it in the middle of the burp, John.
Yes.
Oh, I love it. Is your old lady coming? Is your old lady coming back?
Huh?
Well, wait. When your wife
Yeah.
when your wife comes back, John, just tell her.
Probably about 30, 40. Huh?
Yeah, wait. When your wife comes back, John, just tell her that you are on the phone, and
I'll just tell her. I'll just tell her I'm talking to my friend.
well, just say to her that you had an amazing conversation with a man on the phone. Hey, John.
And boom goes the dynamite. That man I now call the Amazing John. Wow.